ইংলিশ স্পোকেন, ডেলি ইউজ ইংলিশ স্পোকেন। গেট আপ, তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো, লেখো, সবাই লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও। গেট আপ, ব্রাশ ইউর টিথ, হ্যাভ এ শাওয়ার, হ্যাভ ইউর লাঞ্চ, ডু দ্য হোমওয়ার্ক, go to bed, go to school, put on your dress, open your shoes, keep your shoes out, have dinner, wash your mouth, look at me, look here, take carefully, do it carefully, write neatly, don't dirty the page while writing, write clearly, give me eraser, give me sharpener, take your pencil, bring my umbrella, don't use the eraser, hold the pencil, be careful, be brave, be still, be quiet, don't be late, don't talk, watch out, come early, don't move, don't be shy, be afraid, be greedy, be silent, keep quiet, calm down, get up ready, don't quarrel, bring my umbrella, give me eraser, give me sharpener. Will you take any? I am going now. Will you accompany me? Where are you going now? Why are you going now? The man is sleeping. What a wonderful land it is. How happy you are. How cold it is today. You are a liar. We have won the match. I shall go to market. Bimal has a storybook. We can do this work. Go there. Raja plays football. No man can do this work. He has no enemy. He is not faithful. I am all night. Her little head is bare. His father beat him. She has let her matches fall in the street. Pluck out my other eye and give it to her. I don't know what exactly he is. A few years in the field will cause you to change your opinion. A very good way to learn. Please tell me about them. I have got a headache. You better go back to bed. What made him wait for it? How are you? I am fine, thank you. What's that? This is a lunch. How old are you? I am 27 years old. How does it taste? It's delicious. How do you do? Pleased to meet you. How about you? Not to go. What time do